Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will tell you about this pattern. This is very beautiful pattern. This is very cozy pattern. Let me show you the back side. Okay, so let's begin our video. I'm using this 5-ply wool. This is very thick wool, and with this I'm using 3.5 mm crochet hook. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot like this, and you can start like this also. Okay, I'm making 15 foundation chains for this sample. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, after 15 chains, skip very first chain, and from the second chain take one loop on crochet hook as a single crochet like this. Second, we'll do the same like this, and we will take 14 loops on our crochet hook. Like this. Make this pattern with loose hand. Okay, see, in every chain I am taking loops on my hook as a single crochet. Okay, we have made 15 chains and we have skipped one chain, and I have 15 loops on my hook. Okay, now start to make single crochets like this. Make one chain in starting. This is our first chain, and now make 2 in one chain. Again, take 2 loops in one chain, take 2 loops in one chain, again 2 loops in one chain. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to teach you. This is our first round, and this is my last chain. See, okay, now in this first space, okay, take again one loop on crochet hook as our single crochet. Now from the second stitch, this long, now take as a double crochet, and in this space take one loop like this. Again do the same in this space. Now we are doing in the second round as our double crochet. Only one chain we have made as a single crochet, and after that we are making as a double crochet. After this long chain space, take one loop, See. I'm making this pattern with loose hand. And this is our last. Now in last chain, make in this chain, make one single crochet like this. See. Now make one first chain. After this chain, now take one chain in 1, 2 and 3 loops. We will make one chain in 3 loops. 1, 2 and 3. See, one short loop and then a long loop and then a short loop. We'll make one chain in among of 3 loops like this. See again. 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. See. Like this, I am completing this round, and in last we have left 3 and we'll make one chain like this. So here my second round is completed now. Okay, in third round we will not make one chain in the first chain. Now this time we will make one single crochet after this long loop like this. In second round we have made one chain in very first chain, but now from the third chain till the end of this pattern we will make like this. We will not make one single crochet in first chain. Okay, from the second or first space, in this space we will start this pattern. Now from the second space we will start as a double crochet like this. Make it with loose hand. Don't make this pattern with tight hand. And in last, okay, this is our last loop. Okay, now we have only one chain, so after this we'll make one single crochet in the last chain like this. Now in first chain we'll make first chain in one loop first, and again we are repeating the same. Make one chain in 3 loops, one short loop, one long loop and then one short loop like this. 1, 2 and 3. 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 Like this. I'm completing this round also, and from the third round we will repeat the same third round till the last of this pattern. Okay, now see, now from here again skip this first chain, and after this long loop take loop on hook as a single crochet after this long hook, not in the first chain. Okay, and from the second space we'll take loops on hook as a double crochet. Okay, and like this we will repeat the same pattern. See the side chain, and here also. If you are seeing this chain inside and in your pattern, that you are going correctly in this pattern, otherwise you are doing mistake in your pattern. So this is the best way to see. I'm fourth round also. See these last. And this will look like this. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep watching.